Inhale, come back. Once again, exhale, turn on the left side, Sangchai. Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on the right side, Sampai. Inhale, come back, and exhale, then Hui Swan bend forward. So if you want to use the block, so you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Everybody junction, open leg sideways. Now I will take you slowly, another challenge. Open legs, one member come front, one member can go back. So you will not hit to each other. You can come front, please. Facing right. Everybody turn on the right first. Same, high thigh number 105. Hold the right foot and flex your right foot. Okay, relax. Suresh, stand up. Come here. Back here, maybe. Look, you pop and do the same. Now he see a lot of beautiful women, so he do more. Okay, you come on the left side. I am explaining again few times, so I already explained, but once again, you turn your foot pocket. When you turning on the left side, yeah, so focus more on your right hand. Sorry, it's a right now, so focus more on the left hand. You go. B5, tập trung thêm vai, trái, and tay. Yeah. You hold my leg. Hold my leg. So now you see where I am working. I am working more on his left shoulder. Yeah. Why I am working? Face up. I am working for the shoulder alignment. Yeah. Most of the time you are making the target only just holding the foot. गलत करके दिखाएंगे. You try like this. Your shoulder is going. One is going front, one is going back. So you have to more focus on this lengthening. Yeah. But also remember when you lengthen, so don't focus the hip. Now you can see. Mom 5, swung. Hip push नीचे push कर. ये. Yeah. अब okay. Come on, track. ये करता. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, sorry, come back. Same, other side, on the left side. High thigh number 1 child. Same thing, if anybody want to use the block, you can. 1, mom 5 swan. Push your right hip down. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, sorry, relax. Tatkal koi swam, bend forward. We did a lot forward bending. With the legs together, with the side leg. Same thing we are repeating again. Pushing your hip out, lengthening spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Zoe, come back. Chuaso, not finished yet. Relax. So only bend your left leg and right leg straight on the right side. Come here. Leg bend, yes. And bend the right leg sideways. Chal phai. I am doing according to you for the less confusion. Right under right leg. Very common pose. Options, you can hold the toe or you can hold the ankle. First, lift the leg on the shoulder and your right hand down. Leg up, and after just try to keep your chest out, you will move the shoulder and look up. You can be try here, you can pull the leg more, or even you can down more. So this is all depends on your hip stretch, is all depend on your shoulder opening and the upper back opening. Tap the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Zoe, relax, come back. Come on, another side, same track. Your left leg, left hand under left leg. Take your time, no need to be in a hurry. Adjust yourself, come in the posture, slowly, step by step. 1, 2, thigh filing, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, Zoe. First round. Once again, jump high chin. Open legs side visor. Jump chin. Yes. Jump thigh. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale first. Go on the right side. Drop right hand down and left arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Enough, not to do too much. Left side, drop your left hand on the left side, right arm straight over the head. Mainly focus to pushing your spine inside. Push the hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. High thigh lane, both hands up. Chuk thigh, down thigh. Inhale. Exhale, BM5. Bend on the right side. 1, thang loop. 2, high thighs down. Little push your arms back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, the same on the left side. Stretch your arm, do the maximum extension. Stretch thigh leg, little bit, arms up from the ground, arms up from the ground. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale. Relax your hands, high thighs. Again, pull your shoulder back forward. Go. Good. 1, 2, push the knee out, stretch your spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So come back. Hanson, keep your legs together and relax your legs. Move your legs. Relax your legs. So now coming the back home, leg. Downward facing dog. Press your palm, press your heel. Come in the upward facing dog. Drop your knee down. Push your chest in between your arms. Thang thigh home. Upward facing dog, upward facing dog. I'm just giving the a bit spine stretch. Push your chest in between arms and just look up. Once again, downward facing dog. Thang thigh, thang low. This is just to stretch your spine. Thighs down. Yes. One more time, upward facing dog. Drop the knee down, press your palm, lift up your shoulder, push your chest in between arms, and the stretch from your upper to your bottom back. And come in the downward facing dog once again. So here we go. Our next sequence, step by step. Chun Chai Lane, your left leg up. Now Chun Chai, your left leg put out of your left palm. Bit more. Out of the left palm. Left hand on the left knee. Enter the hip bow, thumbs up, twist one. Option you have. Beginner, you can drop your forehead. Anybody can do more. Drop the chin, nose. If you can do more, drop the chest. 3, 4, Thanchan 5. Right leg straight, your right knee up. 5 and now 6. Okay, so I come back. Chuasong, not finished yet. Tai Swan. Now Chun 5 Chuak out of your right palm. In the temple pose, and then Chap Tai, your both palms together. 1, Mong Swan, push your hip down, Thang Lung, and keep pushing your chest front side. 4, 5, and now 6. So from here we'll go the next pose, other side, your right hand on the right knee. Tai Chai Swam, Chun Chai Sau, put your left leg back. You have to change your position so many times, here and there. Come on, same, come on, Tao Swam, drop your head down everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Again, Chun Chai Chua, left leg front side. So we will Tai Swan first. Same pose we will do again. Just a bit change. So this time your left foot left side and your right foot right side. Yes. Again, Chap Tai, palm together. Same. This time a bit intensive. Mong Swan, hip down. Thang Lung. Push your spine back side. 1. Raise knee 5. Look right side. 3. Yes, hands wide left side. 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Tai Swan, Chua Song. Again, your left hand on the left knee. Foot 90. Chun Fai Sao, your right leg back. Right leg back, right leg back. Very good. Now high Tai Swan, drop your both hands down. So this time try to put your arms as maximum front. But maintain the front leg position, your knee to ankle aligned should be. Don't push the knee front. No. Knee ankle aligned on the 90. Then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax, come back. Chua Song, Chun Fai Chua, right leg front side. No, easy. Now again, both feet front on the 90. Chap Tai first, palm together. Thang Lung, and now high Tai Lane. Both hands upside. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. High Tai Swan. Right hand, right knee first. Just for the spot. Chun Chai Sao, your left leg back. Very good. And now the same. Stretch your arm and stretch your spine. Make sure the front leg, the right knee to right ankle aligned should be. 1, and after it will be depends on you how maximum deep you can come in the pose. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Tai Sao Mochu. Chun Chai Chua, your left leg front side again. So, same pose we did last time. Again, we will go this time with the intensive. Left foot left side, right foot right side. Everybody Chap Tai, palm together. Inhale. And then both hands up. High Tai Lane. 1, 2, 3, Thighs go, chua song. We will go the next round. Again, first relax the feet. Right hand, right knee. Chan chai sound. Left leg back side. No. Sorry. Chan chai sound. I'm sorry. Silver. So many chan sound. Sometimes it happens. Okay. So this time, bit intensive. Thang thai first. Thang chan chai. Your right leg straight. And after you have to be moved on the right. See how maximum you can be moved. But the same thing you have to be maintained. You have to keep pushing your left knee out. Lean, thang thai. Good, go down. You can do a gup thai. If you can, please listen me. Look at me. It doesn't mean when you down so you push the knee. No, you have to maintain because we are working flexibility and the strength together of the legs and the hip. No. Go back. No, this is not the practice. Maintain. Now deep. Yes. Now deep. Yes. Now feet. Come on. You can do little thumbs up. 1, 3, 4. Look. 6. Relax, come back. You please. I am giving you technique. Sometimes you are going too much and you change the posture. Even I don't understand what you are doing. Leg front. Chan chai. Come back the same position. Come on. Yes, now right leg. Right leg, chan chai. Chua. Good. Left foot left side, mojo. Right foot right side. Everybody hands on the knee. Good. And then push your hip out and then thumb. Come on. With the support of your hand, you have to push the knee out because we are focusing on our deep joints. 1, 2. I stand on your legs. 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, thighs one first. Now jump chai sound. Your left leg back side. Now please remember, don't change the position. So this time you have to be no. You maintain the position here. Now try. Okay. Now try. Good. Enough. That is enough. Try everybody. Little bit. 1, 2. Enough. 3. Enough. 4. Any more. 5. 6. The back. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax, come back. And the last time, chan chai chua, your left leg front side. This is the last time. So take the same position, hand on the knee, mocho long length, your hip to spine align, and push your knee out, thumb on the hip. Come on. Knee thumb. Look front. One hand, then 2 hand front. Chap thigh, and now just stay there. You have to be strong legs and a strong hip. 1, 3, 4, 5, and now see thighs strong. Everybody jump back and a downward facing dog. Gapchan chai, gapchan 5. Chuaso. Gapchan downward facing dog. Gapchan chai, gapchan 5. Relax. Tata hip wow. Toes up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. You have to go get home. Continuous scan. Yes, very good. Chan chai in. Left leg up. Once again, chan chai chua. Out of the left palm. Chan phai swam. Drop the right knee down. Yeah? So here will be the optional practice for all of you. We are going to practice the front split. So you have to be C, 2, 2. Left leg, hand. Enough. Just stop yourself. You can do more, 10, you can do more, 10, do more, 10, do more, 10. And if you can completely come in the pose. Homework, home out. You can be somewhere nearby. You go?
Yes.
You don't need to be pushed very, very hard. You can do it, it's okay, you can do it, that's fine also. Stay there. For you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, downward facing dog, come on. Downward facing dog, downward facing dog, downward facing dog, gapchan chai, gapchan 5. Left leg bend, right leg bend. For the relaxation. Chan 5 lane. In very hurry up. Huh? Chan 5 chuak. Right leg out of the right palm. Chan chai chuak. Throw the left knee down. And now again. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slow. Feel yourself. How maximum you can go down in the pose. Just stay. 1. Continue. Complete, okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Zoe, come back. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Thang lại, thang lưng. Gập chân trái, gập chân phải. Once again, chân trái lên, left leg up. Thêm một lần. Chân trái trước, left leg out of the left palm. Same practice on. But this time you can be twist one bend down. Yes. Knee to the left. Just. Twist one do up again. Home goes to conquer. You can be gap tie also fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Zoe, come back. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Gapchan chai, gapchan 5. Chan 5 lane, your right leg up. Chan 5 chuak, right leg out of the right palm. And now the same, come on, try. Slowly, just come in the pose. This is also the asana rule, like how you enter in the pose, how you retain in the pose, how you come back from the pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Zoe, downward facing dog, come on. Swaso. 2 more rounds, then we will finish. Gapchan chai, gapchan 5 for relaxation of the legs. Chan chai lane, your left leg up. So now you all are prepared for the front split pose. Chan chai chuak in between your both arms. The same technique we will be used. Chan 5 swung first and then same slowly left leg just push in front and come in the complete front split pose. Sit on that. Use the block. Use the block. High. Ba. Bon. Nam. Sau. Bai. Tam. Chin. And Moe. Downward dog. Don't see the time. Still we have 5 minutes. Chan file in. Right leg up. You can see we are not doing a lot. We are doing the same thing. We are repeating with some different variations. Chan file chuak. Come on, try once again. Same. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. If you are feeling very much pain, very much difficulty, I am saying again and again, so please avoid, because maybe one time you can do it, but later it can be harmful for you. If your tissue, if something happens with your ligament, muscles, it will take some time to heal. So better to prevent injury, avoid the very hard practice. Sorry, more. High. Ba. Bon. Nam. Sau. Bai Tam Chin Moe. Downward facing dog. So this is the final round, everybody. Good news for all of you. Last. Because now we are very near. So now you will see. You will do one more time. You will see the improvement. Chanchai lane, left leg up and chanchai chuak. Left leg in between your arms. Opposite. So this is the freestyle. You want to make any variation, any option, any modifications, you are free. Come on. Right hand swap. Front split pose or knee pose. No, after this. Come on, Nadi. Suresh. You want to block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 तक कोई smoke. Bend down. Bend forward, 2 options. Option 1, gap thigh. Option 2, gap thigh, 5 and thigh chaining. Drop your right elbow, left hand up and look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Downward facing dog. Last round. Last set, last round. From the right leg side. Come on. All are very strong. Chan Fai lane. Right leg up. Chan Fai chuak. High chan swap. Front split pose. Padmanasana. The monkey pose. Come on. Just try. Take your time. Freestyle round. The feet comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So option gap hai tai, option gap tai chai and tai tai. 1 2 3 4 5 and now 6. Very good. Arms and left. Keep your both hands straight now. Relax your legs. Move your legs. Unfortunately, time finished. Otherwise, we continue. Jang time, you go the twisting. For relaxation, come on, jang time, hangju. Hit wow, thousand, sang chai, turn on the left side. Hit wow, come back. Thousand, sound five on the right side. Hit wow, come back. Thousand, and on the left, sound chai. One more time on the left side. Hit wow, come back. Thousand, sound five, turn on the right side. Inhale and exhale, position, bend forward. Just for relaxation. Come in the child pose. A little open your knee, just a little bit. Tập trung.